Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Another short video clip from Cycad World. The Cycad foliage cluster. All three of the stems opening up. Magnificent species. From November till now, still not open. Waiting anxiously to see if it's going to be cones or leaves. I doubt it's going to be leaves. Should have been out by now. And the third stem also opening up since November. Leaves should have been out by now. This is the Cycad foliage which we burned with grass 2-3 years ago and pushed magnificent leaves within 2 months after burning. Thank you.